Hi everyone, so today we are going to do this the angles. So let's work out the missing angles. So this one is trapezium and we are going to work out the angle A. So let's do it. Okay, so as we know, the sum of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. 360 degrees. So what is this will be? We are going to sum up the values we have right now. So we have 110 degrees plus 80 degrees plus 50 degrees. So what is it? Okay, so let's add up the values. So it is 110 plus 80 plus 50, so it's 240 degrees. So now we are going to subtract the total from the answer we have. So 360 degrees minus 240 degrees, so what is it? 360 minus 240, it's 120 degrees. So this is our answer, and this is the angle A which was missing. So what this means is, when we are going to add up all the angles, all the four angles, it is going to make a sum of 360 degrees. This is what we have to show, that we have to prove that a sum of quadrilateral angles is 360. That's it. So now let's jump to the next question. And this is sum of a triangle. Sum of a triangle is 180 degrees. So now we have 53 degrees, and this is a right angle, so this will be 90 degrees, and this is the B. This is what we have to find out, angle B. So let's work out. So sum of a triangle is 180 degrees. So we have 53 degrees plus 90 degrees. So this will be 53 plus 90 is equal 143. So 180 minus 143 is equal to how much? 37. So this is our angle B. This is the answer. So 53 plus 90 plus 37 makes 180. So hence it's proved that the sum of the triangle is 180 degrees. If you have any further questions, let me know. Okay, so let's take a student review also, and let's see how she understands this one. Okay.
So, hi teachers, I have a question that was, why did we do subtract it with 360?
So we are doing that because the sum of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. If we see over here, this is the four angles, okay, and when we add each of the angle, it is giving us 360 degrees. So when one of the angle is missing, it is so easy for us to understand what is the angle, because we can just easily add the angles we have and then subtract it from the total sum of the quadrilateral or sum of the triangle, and that's it.
Yeah, but now we had three numbers, so we can find out the A. But
yeah,
what if in exam there will be no letter? Like there will be letter, but there will be just this one number.
Okay.
For example, 110, and there will be A, B, C, D.
So
how should I do?
I will tell you. So the sum of the questions, it has two of the angles missing, like this one. It doesn't have an angle shown, but you have to understand this one. If it's a square, this is a right angle, and the right angle is 90 degrees. So in this question, two of the angles are missing, right?
Yes.
So one of the angle, it's given 53 plus 90 degrees. So the answer, and then subtract it from 180 degrees. That's it. You will get the angle
Yeah,
B.
but why did we subtract it over here from 360 and over here from 180?
Because in shapes there is different sum. When we add them together in shapes, it's different. For quadrilaterals, it is 360. Let's say this is a table, okay? For this table, this will be a different measurement, and for any other table, it will be a different measurement. So the quadrilateral sum is 360, and for a triangle, it is 180. The measurement, you have to learn it by heart.
So there is just two numbers to subtract, like just 360 and 180?
Yes, there is just two numbers in shapes, 360 and 180, and rest you have to figure it out by adding and subtracting it.
So what do you mean I have to memorize the angles, that how we
You
have
don't
to
have to,
subtract it?
no, you don't have to memorize the angles. You
Then how will I do it?
just memorize the sum of the quadrilateral is 360, the sum of the triangle is 180.
But what about if there will be a parallelogram or square?
This
or
is
any
all
other?
quadrilaterals. This is all quadrilaterals.
So I have
Any,
to
I will tell you
memorize?
something. No, I will tell you something. Any shape which has four sides or four angles, that will be a quadrilateral. Okay? Any shape which has four angles. Like see in this example, this is all quadrilaterals shown over here. It has four angles, right?
Yes.
Everything has a four angles. But when we are given, like for example, this is a square, and the square has four symmetry sides, like this, like as a x and as a plus, right? So you can make like four lines. So then it will be small little triangles given to you. You have to add it by triangle by triangle, making it 180 degree, 180 degree, 180 degree, and you will get the answer. But don't worry, we have further questions over here, and we will sum it up one by one, and then we will know how it works. Okay, so for now you just have to understand how to solve when there is a missing angle. That's it.
Okay, I guess I understood a little bit.
A little bit?
Yes.
Okay, that's a good news. Okay, start reading.
So, key points: the properties of a shape are facts about its size and
Okay, so if we notice over here, it's saying all sides are equal in length. I want to explain you guys over here the difference between equal and the next line is saying opposite sides are parallel. Means this one and this one is parallel to each other, and all the sides are equal to each other. Means the measurement is equal. All angles are 90 degrees. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. Diagonals means when they are diagonals is this line. Okay, I'll speak in Urdu. So जो ये वाली लाइन है ये ऐसे टेढ़ी जा रही है तो ये डायगोनल है, और ये राइट एंगल है, और फिर यहाँ पे भी राइट एंगल है, यहाँ पर भी एक राइट एंगल आ सकता है, और इवन कि यहाँ पे भी एक राइट एंगल आ सकता है. So it can form like a lot of right angles over here, and because it is parallel, it is all the sides are equal, and then diagonals are also like on the same point. Okay, the next one is rhombus. Make sure, I know it is a little bit of boring studying this one, and I know it looks like it's not that important, but if I will show you over here on the book, yep, you have to do this kind of shapes over here. See, this is a rhombus, a parallelogram, trapezium, kite. So you really have to understand this one in order to solve all the weird shape of the weirdest shapes and all the weird questions. Okay, so the rhombus, it has all sides are equal in length, opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are equal, diagonals bisect each other at 90, adjacent angles add to 180 degrees. Now what does it mean by adjacent over here is this one. Adjacent means this is a full triangle and this is a full triangle. So this will make up to 180 degrees and this will make up to 180 degrees. And then it's saying diagonals bisect at each other, means see, this is the diagonal, and if you look the rhombus a little bit like this, because now it looks like a diamond shape, like this it looks like a diamond shape, but like this, see, you see the square kind of, right, like a square parallelogram or something. So this is how it is. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. Now if we look for the kite, two pairs of sides are equal in length, no parallel sides. So there is no parallel. If we look at the opposite, it is not same. So there is no parallel side. One pair of equal angles means this and this is equal angle, and then diagonal bisect each other at 90 degrees again. So over here, the rectangle, opposite sides are equal in length. Okay, this is again opposite sides equal, opposite sides are parallel, all angles are 90 degrees, and diagonals bisect. I think now you understand when we read this, right? The next one is parallelogram. So opposite sides are equal in length. Again, see, it is equal. It's saying the same thing, parallel, opposite angles are equal, and adjacent angles add up to 180 degrees. So this is again, it will be how is it 180 degrees? Like this. Okay, now the next one is trapezium. It has only one parallel side, and which one is it? This one and this one. This one is one pair of parallel side, and this is the isosceles trapezium. It has two sides which is equal in length, this one and this one. So one pair of parallel sides and two pair of equal angles. Okay, so this is isosceles trapezium. Two sides are equal in length, one pair of parallel sides and two pair of equal angles. So again, it is one pair of parallel and two pair of equal angles. This and this. Okay, so that's it for part 1, and I'll see you in part 2, where we are going to solve all these kind of questions and you will understand it more. So bye bye for now.